everyone, I am Janani. We are going to explain series of videos in the playlist about how to work with MongoDB and integrate with Python. In this video, we are going to see what is MongoDB and why do we require MongoDB. MongoDB is a NoSQL database, and here we are going to create database and collection in MongoDB. In this video, we are going to see why do we require MongoDB, and basically MongoDB is a kind of NoSQL database, and the basic difference between MongoDB and SQL database is it is mainly used for structured database. For example, it is used in banking sector, as it is used in high transactional data transfer, and here one table is referred using a foreign key and primary key. And moreover, schema is very strict in MySQL database. And coming to MongoDB, schema is not strict. It's dynamic, as the data is stored in the form of documents, that is JSON format, where you all know in JSON format the data is stored in the form of key value pair. And the advantage is, while using this type of data, that retrieval is very fast, and due to this performance it is very fast, and most importantly it supports geospatial query. And geospatial query is nothing but to recommend something to user based on the geolocation, that is using longitude and latitude and even the radius. And another important thing is MongoDB can be easily integrated with big data and Hadoop, wherever MongoDB has a built-in MapReduce function. Since it is stored in document form, it is nearly powerful as SQL database, and it is easily installed and highly scalable, and the performance is very high. These are some of the pros of MongoDB, and even it have many pros, it even has some of the limitations, like it is not good for banking sector, as it requires as it will be having high number of transactions. It will need a SQL database, because it's having the schema which don't change, whereas in MongoDB the schema is dynamic, and it is highly for the tightly coupled application, as it will interact continuously. It's not applicable, or it's not suitable for highly coupled applications.